Welcome, Infonomy is a Nothing Phone 2, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Now, once your content is open and visible on your phone or the display, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time. This will give you a flash along with a pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it disappears. Once it does so, you can then find that screenshot in your Photos application by going into the library and then screenshots. And here you'll find strictly screenshots that you have captured over the time. And here's the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.